Hey folks, Dad here, Elevation Diecast Racing, and this is Pick Your Pack number 2 in Season 5 here at Elevation Diecast Racing. This is going to be trucks only. Keep on trucking. And the very first truck we have is a 2017 series, the Embosser. If you have never seen this truck, you actually can slide a piece of paper in that slot there and it'll give you a Hot Wheel logo. Pretty cool going down the track. Nice long wide wheelbase, should fill the lane nicely. If you like this guy, the Embosser will be your pick. We're going to put him up against a 2015 Turbine Time. He is a metal body, metal base from the Hot Wheels City. 2013 copyright date. Looks to have a nice long wheelbase. If you like this one and think he can take the overall win, Turbine Time is your pick. Next up we have from the 2010 series 63 Studebaker Champ. Nice wide wheelbase. This one feels like he's got a little bit of weight to him. It is one of 4 Studebakers in this race. So if you like this one, the green Studebaker Champ would be your pick. He'll be taken on from the 2021 Color Shifter Series is the Ford F-150. Everybody knows about this truck and the speed it has potential to have. So if you like this one, Color Shifter F-150 will be your pick. From the 2021 copyright, it is a Mazda Repu. Not a bad stance. What's that say? I can't tell what it says. Mazda Power? Oh, please. Well, anyway, if you like this one, the Mazda Repu will be your pick. It's a little sharp looking ride. I like the detail on the front there. Good looking truck. He may be fast. He could take it all. 2015 copyright date. This will be the Datsun 620. Good looking ride, nice wide stance. Datsun 620. If you think this one could take the overall win. Next up with a 2017 copyright, it's the 100-year celebration of Chevrolet trucks. It is the Chevy 1500. Metal base. Sharp ride. I'm a Chevy truck fan. I love the square body Chevys. There was nothing that could beat them in the 80s. They were just so nice. So if you think this one could take the overall win, the Chevy 1500 will be your pick. He'll be taking on this 2009 Ford F-150, 2015 copyright. Pretty sweet ride. Nice long wheelbase. This ought to be a good race, fellas. We'll see. If you think this one can take the overall win, 2009 Ford F-150. Let's see, there's another one. The yellow F-150 will be your pick. Up next from the 2013 copyright, this is the red Turbine Time. Same as the green one. Same year, same model, different colorway. If you like this one, the red Turbine Time would be your pick. He'll be taking on the 2022 Studebaker Champ. And that's how we'll Label this one the 2022 Studebaker Champ. If you like this one for the overall pick, he could be fast. Next up is from the 2012 copyright Fig Rig from the Hot Wheels Stunt Series. Nice wide wheelbase. He does look to have a plastic base, metal body. If you like this one, Fig Rig will be your pick. With a 2020 copyright, it's the 91 GMC Cyclone in yellow. I've actually got a couple of these. Nice wide wheelbase. These Cyclones can be fast, and I'm hoping this one is fast. These are all getting dusted up, gents and ladies, if you're watching. So they will all go through the speed shop before hitting the track. But if you like this one, the 91 GMC Cyclone will be your pick. 2010 copyrighted. It's the red Studebaker Champ. Same, different colorway. If you think this one can take the overall win, the red Studebaker Champ would be your pick. From the 2015 copyright, it is the 79 Ford pickup in camouflage. Nice long wheelbase. Definitely like the way this truck looks. Could be my pick, could not be. I have not decided what I'm going to pick yet. But I'm going to let this video upload before I do make my pick, before I do graphite a single truck. My pick will be pinned to the top. But if you think this one can take the overall win, 79 Ford pickup is your pick. And in the last race of the first round, you cannot leave this guy out. 2009 Goodyear F-150. We all know the potential of these guys. There's a couple in the case. There's a bunch of them modified and a bunch taken apart. If you think this guy has what it takes to take the overall win in this bunch, the Goodyear F-150 will be your pick. And he'll be facing from the year 2000. It will be the Editor's Choice bolt-on power Ford F-150. Good looking truck. Seems like he's got some weight to him. Yeah. Hopefully this truck is fast. We're going to find out. If you like this one, the Editor's Choice F-150 will be your pick. There you have it. There's a look from 8 to number 1. Each individual race, this is who will face who. They will all see the speed shop. And I'm just going to go out and tell you, I'm going to pick the Editor's Choice F-150. That'll be my pick pinned in the comments. We'll race these on Friday. After work, it'll be the Friday night race for us. Good luck with your picks, and we'll see you then.